Guys, today we are going to be testing out the Smiling Beauties teeth whitening kit. It does include the manual. It includes the shade guide, 3 of the pins. It comes with the charging cable, and then it comes with the actual teeth whitening device. I'm between like a 6 and a 7. So to get started, we're going to take the gel pen and we are going to put the gel onto our teeth. This gel is going to help the whitening process. Essentially, you can achieve faster, safer, whiter smiles from home. You'll also save money and time, and you can use this kit for up to 60 or more treatments. Another cool feature about this device is it's got 3 light settings. You can change it from blue, red, or red and blue. Next, we're going to push the on button and we're going to put it in our mouth. Now, you could also put it in your mouth and then push the button. But as you can see, we're going to have a little fun. It's going to take 16 minutes. It will automatically turn off when it's done, and voila. When it's all done, it will beep. And so that is how you use the tooth whitening device. Let's go ahead and check our teeth now. Okay, it got us a couple of shades lighter. I'm sure as I continue to use this on a daily basis, it is going to work even more or even better. So if you are interested in having this handy device, reach out to thesmilingbeauties.com. Get yours today. Already I could see that my teeth were whitened a few shades and my smile looks really great. All right guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, hit that bell to get notifications, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to tell the Smiling Beauties that I sent you.